Hey, this is Adam Shelton and welcome to my YouTube channel today. Thank you for stopping by today because we got an excellent show today. We're going to talk about how you can make $1,000 online. And I got a couple of tips that you need to follow and need to understand that I didn't understand before, that you need to understand of how you can obtain this because it's possible. Now, I'm not going to guarantee it. I'm going to give you some tips that you can need to follow that can go ahead and start earning that $1,000. So this is the first time here at this channel. If it's your first time, hit that red subscribe button right below the video. And don't forget to hit the bell notification when you do videos, when I do videos just like this. I do videos every single day and I want you to get the value when I do videos just like this. Like, comment, subscribe because I want you to be notified when I do videos just like this. Now today in the content, we're going to talk about making $1,000 online. It is possible. It is very possible. And I'm going to give you 3 tips of what you need to know when you're starting the online marketing business journey. Now, a little backstory. When I first started out online, I struggled with it mainly because I wasn't following these tips that I'm going to go ahead and give to you. I went on there, I saw people making a bunch of money, and I'm thinking, hey, I can do it. If they can do it, I can do it. Which was actually not a bad attitude to have, but I didn't understand what they went through to actually make this type of money. And so when you see flash money, on YouTube channels, when you see it on different emailing campaigns, when you're seeing people make all this type of money, you don't understand the story of how they got this. You know how long they struggled before they was able to get that first $1,000 sale, $2,000 sale in a day or something like that. So we don't know the story. We just see the result, the end result, but we don't really see the whole entire story of like, I struggled for a while before I made this $1,000. I struggled a while before I made my first big sale. Now, there's a couple of tips I'm going to give to you because I know you've been searching around all the time. It's just me and you in the room. You've been searching around trying to find somebody or a video or something to get me motivated to go ahead and crush it in your business. And if you haven't started an online business, right below this video, I do have a link for you to go ahead and get signed up to start your own online business. But more to that later. Here I'm going to go ahead and give you the 3 tips of what you need to know to make that first $1,000 and understanding it is a process. So the number 1 tip I'm going to tell you is that it takes time. It takes time to be able to obtain and learn how to go ahead and make that $1,000, $2,000 in a day. It takes time. It takes training. It takes mentorship. It takes the right system. It takes your mind. It's really changing your subconscious mind to believing that you can do it, because your subconscious mind gonna be like, hey, let's quit. I'm going to be honest with you. Your mindset's gonna be like, let's quit because it's not working. It's been a couple of days, been a couple of weeks, and you wanted to make the money fast, but you gotta understand that you need to get the education and the skill level to be able to do that. And how you do that, you gotta work on yourself, having a mentor, an advisor, a coach to help you along the way, and of course the right system to leverage, but you can go ahead and start making that type of money. The number 2 thing on my list I'm going to say is it does take effort. Now, a lot of times when I first got on, I didn't know it took effort to do. I thought maybe an email, a simple email can make me all this type of money because I was all indulged in watching other people of how they were making money. And some of the guys, they were really saying it. Oh, I just do 2 videos and I make this type of money. Well, you have to look at the fact that their subscribers may be a lot. They may have a lot of watch time. They may have built up their channel up to the point where, hey, maybe they can do a video and make money from it. But when you're first starting out, you got to understand it does take time and it does take effort to be able to get any type of results. And it takes consistent. It's not like, okay, you do a video today and you don't do videos for the rest of the week. Well, you could do that. You could do a video per week based on what you're talking about, based on what your goal is. But think about this. If you were doing videos every day, or maybe 3 times a day, not 3 times, 3 times a week, 4 times a week, that's a lot of videos that's being piled up over time. And you've got all that content to go ahead and share. So the effort's there, and then the time. It's going to take time, but over time, you're going to start seeing some type of results because you're consistent at it. And yes, it takes effort. So you're building an online business. Video is a very good thing to do to brand yourself. But you got to understand, it does take time and it takes the right learning capacity to be able to do that. My number 3 on the list, I'm looking over here, it requires a skill set. It requires a special skill set. So if you want to be able to become a really good email marketing, you need to invest in a coach or mentor or a system that's going to teach you how to be a really good email marketer. Email marketer. Same thing with video. You need to go ahead and invest in a type of system or a coach or some type of program that's going to help you become a better video marketer. Same thing if you're in the stocks. Same thing if you're stock market. You need to go ahead and invest in a course that's going to teach you how to buy and sell stocks for your business. So it does take a skill set, but there's a lot of good systems out there. I do have a recommended system for you at the end of this video that I want you to go ahead and take action on, because I know what you're thinking. I know what you're thinking. Well, it takes effort, it takes time, now take a skill set. Yes, it does. It does take these type of things to go ahead and have any type of success. I'm not going to guarantee success, but I do believe that if you do follow these tips, you will have results in your business, especially if you got a skill set and you understand it takes time and effort. Oh, your goal. Your goal, because then now you're on your way to understanding the process, and it is a process. It is a process. Look at all the people out there who's been successful at it. It took them years. There's some stories out there. You can actually Google it, success stories, and you may see all these people come up. You can Google that and see all these people. It took me 6 months, 8 months, years to get one sale or years to be able to get any type of results. Now, I'm not saying it may not take you years, but it takes time. Everybody's results are different. So it may not take you years. It may not take you months. It really depends on how much are you putting in every single day, and what are you doing to get the results at all. Now, my bonus one, I got 2 bonus tips for you I'm going to share with you today, because I'm excited and I want you to go ahead and have success in your own business as well. My favorite here is having a positive attitude when things are good or a challenge. When things are good, you still need to have that hunger, that humble attitude, like, yes, things are happening, but I got to keep learning. Having that positive, but that hungry attitude. Les Brown always saying, because I'm hungry. He's always saying that because he's one of the mentors I really follow online as well, is that you still got to be hungry, you got to be humble, but you got to stay consistent too. So when good things are happening, you want to be still on that, that edge, like, you know what, I got to keep going. Now, when things are a challenge, you still want to have that positive attitude, because that's not going to last long either. Things are bad or good and fail, whatever, that does not last long. That's what you got to think about. This ain't going to last very long. Let's say you miss out on the sale or you miss out on an opportunity. That's not going to last long. I mean, it may stay in there, but tomorrow it will happen. Tomorrow will happen. Next week will happen. And you'll just move on from that situation. So having a positive attitude is so important, because things are going to happen in your business, outside your business, even in your personal life. That's what's going to happen. And my next thing here, I got one thing here, is make a good decision. Just make a decision. You need to necessarily be a good decision. Just make a decision that you're going to start your business, because a lot of people out there are scared. They're scared because they don't know, because of the unknown, really. Because of the unknown. They don't know what can happen. They don't know what they don't know. They don't know. So they want something going to be, safety, security. They want to be very certain, like this is going to happen. Well, that's what belief happens. That's what working on yourself, reading positive books. That's what having the right mentor and a coach, the right system in place of where you can believe it and implement it anytime you want in your business. So you do have to be perseverance. You do have to be consistent, and you do need to necessarily make that decision that, yes, today I'm going to go ahead and crush it in my business. I'm going to start my business. I'm going to go ahead and sign up today, not tomorrow, today, and go ahead and make a good life for myself. Start a legacy and create a lifestyle that I've always wanted to do. And I know you've been dying for this. That's why below this video, click on the link below to go ahead and get started on your own journey, And don't forget to smash that like button right below the video as well. But right below this video, I do have an opportunity for you to go ahead and sign up and start your own online business. It's my #1 recommendation, to start your online business today, not yesterday. Well, yesterday's already passed. Not tomorrow. Well, Tomorrow's not always given, but right now, because the best time to do something is right now. This is Adam Shelton signing off here. Thank you for stopping by. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and that link below this video. Click on that link below to go ahead and start on your own online business, because I know you've been wanting this for a long time. I can feel it. Click on the link below, and I'll see you in the next video. Have a good day.